Okay, I'm here.
Alright, you should see computer monitor with the security prompt.
It looks like data's being uploaded from a secure set of files.
You're gonna have to override the system and stop the upload by encrypting the main hard drive.
The data flow, it stopped. We'll start it again. We're being blocked.
Let's get out of here while we still can. We've done what we came to do.
Don't tell me what we came to do. I'll let you know when we're done here.
By now they know their download stopped. It's not a stretch to assume that they'll start searching every inch of CPU until they find the problem.
We can't just rush in there, Jack. It's a hostage situation, and...
You know as well as I do what's at stake. That's why I'm saying we need to...
Almeida.
Tony, it's Sean.
Sean, what the hell's going on in there?
Agent Almeida, we have a real problem. Somebody here has something I want, and if I don't get it soon, I'm gonna start making your people drop.
We can work something out, all right? I don't want anybody getting hurt.
Too late for that. Somewhere in this building is a hard drive that I want, and I will start killing your people one every 10 minutes until I get it. Starting now.
Hello? Hello?
Dad, they killed Sean!
Kim, you need to settle down.
They killed him! Why
They
did
want the
have to
hard
kill him?
drive.
What if I put one of the trackers from the data room on the hard drive? I'll turn myself in, and they'll take the drive, and then they won't be tracked.
No,
They'll
listen
be
to
able
me.
find
Kim,
them.
you need to stay where you are. There's no other choice.
Yes, there is.
Kim! Kim! The following takes place between 2 p.m. and 3 p.m.
Time's up, people.
Here.
It's my lucky day.
This is it.
And what's your name?
Kim.
Oh, Kim, you just saved her life.
You have it?
We have it.
Can they track it?
Scan it for trackers.
We got one.
It's clean. Well, you weren't so smart, were you, Kim?
Kim Bauer?
Kim Bauer.
You found yourself quite a little prize, haven't you?
Yeah, and I have plans for her.
Don't underestimate Jack Bauer.
I know all about Jack Bauer. He's not gonna be a problem.
You know where to send the files I want?
Don't worry, you'll get them. She's our ticket out of here. Let's go.
What about us?
What about you?
You're not gonna screw us, Peter.
Wow. Dude, they didn't give a shit about shooting.
They're firing at each other. Now's the time to move.
Now!
I've got to find Kim.
Come on, that's good enough.
I copy. Approaching. ETA 8 minutes. Just get here. We'll be ready.
The roof. I'm gonna need some heavy weaponry to take out that chopper.
Let's see.
What are you doing here?
Doing something.
I'm hit!
Dude, man. It takes this guy like 20 years. Something else.
He's on the 3rd floor. I should head there first. The passcode for this door should be 710538.
Jack, the chopper's less than 2 minutes out. You better get to the roof.
Let's take the chopper down.
Son of a bitch!
Oh, what he said to him.
Who are you?
Tony, I'm on the roof, but Madsen's men are here. I'm taking fire.
Jack,
You literally
should
just
see the
killed all
chopper
of
any
them.
time now. Do not allow it to land.
Oh my god, dude, shit. Helicopter. Can we take out the helicopter?
Madsen, the LZ is hot. I repeat, the LZ is hot. Madsen, we're under fire.
Dead. He dead, bro. Thank you.